Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect a Janus coupler safely and effectively. Before we begin, remember to always prioritize safety by turning off the power at your circuit breaker. It's also crucial to ensure your wire's current rating, perhaps 16 amps, is compatible with the coupler to prevent overheating. Have your basic tools ready, including a star screwdriver and wire strippers, to make the process smooth and easy. Now that safety is covered, let's access the coupler's internal components. Gently unscrew the cover, which might involve 2 or 4 screws depending on your specific model, to reveal the wiring terminals. Inside, you'll find designated points for the live, neutral, and earth wires. It's important to observe their positions, as layouts can differ slightly, but the principle of operation remains consistent across all types. With the terminals exposed, it's time to prepare your wires. Carefully strip about 1 centimeter of insulation from each wire end. Then, twist the copper strands tightly to prevent any loose pieces that could cause a short circuit. Loosen the terminal screws, insert the live, neutral, and earth wires into their respective slots, and tighten them firmly. A good connection is vital for both safety and performance, ensuring no wires can easily pull out. Before finalizing, perform a thorough visual inspection. Confirm that all connections are tight and that no bare wire strands are visible outside the terminals. This prevents potential hazards. Once satisfied, carefully replace the coupler's cover, securing it with all the screws. Finally, restore power and test your newly connected Janus coupler with a multimeter or by plugging in a low-power device to ensure everything functions correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.